can drive!
Were you part of the flatline operation? We've been fighting these things for almost a week.
No, I came in 2 days ago. It was pretty bad already.
But it seemed like we were still in control, even this morning. Still got coherent orders and all.
That's what HQ wanted you to think. This is way over their head.
Doesn't make sense. I never thought we'd be overwhelmed like this.
We've never fought a battle like this.
It's crazy.
Drive straight through.
That.
This is Unit 17. The Zeds are spilling through the barricades. Our position is completely compromised. Over!
Pull back to Section 11 and hold position, Unit 17.
Orders received. We are pulling back. Stop! Let me up, please!
Through the alleyway. Listen, I know you think we're better off by ourselves, but I'm gonna contact HQ to get a clear picture.
Suit yourself.
HQ, this is Kilo 5 reporting. Do you copy? HQ, this is Kilo 5 reporting. Do you copy?
Kilo 5, go ahead.
My squad is dead. I got a pickup. We need orders. We're near, Burlington and Lake. Over.
Move north to regroup. Over.
Regroup where? With who? Kilo 5 to HQ. Regroup where? HQ, do you copy? Damn it!
Satisfied? You wanna go north?
I don't know.
Then we don't.
Backup! This is Unit 12 on Burgundy Street. A Humvee is turned over and we're surrounded. Ah! Shit! Please repeat that, Unit 12. What is your position? Oh my god! Shit! The tracking is down in 80! Unit 12! Unit 12! Please respond!
It's done.
straight through!
Wait! Don't leave without us!
God damn it!
They're trying to kill me!
I'm going through the alleyway! Cochetta, you know most of the city has been